up next, we have our Tiramisu Affogato. And that is almost essentially kind of like a tiramisu ice cream sundae. Has anybody had tiramisu in here? Very good. Like every time I go to Olive Garden with my wife, I'm saying I'm not leaving until I get the tiramisu. Gotta have it. And we have the coffee and vanilla ice cream. I put about a quarter creamer in there. And on the menu, it says that it's chilled. But just about any kind of creamer you can think of will work. I use the Italian sweet cream in this because essentially it's gonna thicken up anyways whenever you add the ice cream. On the ice cream, I'm probably gonna use about half of these since it's a smaller bowl. But I won't be supplying that tonight. Or you can use, I don't know, you can use the spiced rum also, and that's really good. Now we do have the spiced rum, but there's certain restrictions. And for this, we will not be using the hot espresso. And that calls for 3 tablespoons. That's the powdered sugar. And on there, it does say just regular sugar. And this is where it gets kind of tricky, is trying to mix all this together. If you need it to be a little bit thinner, which I probably will, you can probably add a little bit of milk to it. And let's go ahead and stir this up. This is actually probably the easiest recipe out of the 3. Pour that in there to a nice serving dish. Now with this, it probably needs to stay in the freezer probably about 40 minutes. Okay. Take that out. You'll just crumple that over there, and that'll be your crust. A good thing about having the ladyfingers is that they tend to stay a lot thinner, so they're easier to crumble up. The problem with this is that they tend to stay in chunks. We'll come over here. We'll use it says bittersweet on there, but I'm going to use the semi-sweet tonight. Because that's how I feel. I feel semi-sweet right now. Not too bitter. And probably about 1 bar do. And you'll just shave it off. And really, the chocolate's just there as a garnishment. That away. And then you'll leave it to freeze. And like I said, it'll be probably about 40 minutes. And then you'll end up with something like this.